Now bring your thumb on the Bhumadhya Rekha. We'll go for Trataka practice. Slowly stretch your shoulder at the straight line of the Agna Chakra. Gauge the tip of the thumb without blinking the eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close the eyes. Let the hands be there. Slowly open the eyes. Gauge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close the eyes and open. Gauge. Kannu terdu. Watch the tip of the thumb. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close the eyes and open. Gauge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close. Open. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close and open. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close. Open. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the practice. Slowly and gently rub the palms. Massage the eyeballs. Slowly keep the palms on the eyes. Feel the darkness. Don't open the eyes till you feel the relaxed eyeballs. ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಗುಡ್ಡೆಗಳು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಹಗುರವಾಗಿ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ಪಡೆಯುವವರೆಗೂ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯಬಾರದು. ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up.